How am I getting this out?
This is a Dell PowerEdge R420. This is a replacement R420 motherboard along with an IDRAC 7 port card. And you can probably guess, today we are going to swap out the motherboards. Mine arrived dead due to a failed eMMC chip, so we're going to replace it. First, let's go ahead and get this thing disassembled. You want to begin by taking off the top chassis shell. That just consists of unlocking this and pushing it outwards and up. Now you want to essentially gut it. You take out the CPUs, heat sinks, RAM, fans, everything. Disconnect all the internal cables that go to the motherboard. Now it is important to note that the server originally came with this power supply, but in a previous video I explained how it was dead, and I actually upgraded the server to be redundant with dual power supplies. Alright, I've got mine completely broken down, and for two reasons. One, to show you guys, and two, because I needed to do a deep clean. Now to put it back together, starting with the motherboard. So I've got the motherboard and CPUs in. Now what you're going to want to do is get the fans and all the other cords and the PDB in. For clarification, here's where you put the PDB whenever you buy one to mod the server. By now you've probably seen these 4 empty drive bays, and you're probably wondering what I'm going to do with them. Well, obviously I'm going to use them for storage, and starting off with 5 terabytes of storage. Now that it's fully assembled, this is what it looks like. We're pretty much back to the beginning. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. And overall, I hope you're having a good day. Drop a like, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a future upload, and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and check out my GitHub. Arcanet out.